Hi mga kasoldering, so for today's video, ang ipapakita po namin is Accutech Counting Scale UCA-C-003. Ayan. Ayan po siya guys. Ayan siya guys. So what is the use of Accutech UCA-C-003?
The Accutech Counting Scale UCA-C-003 is a precision digital counting and weighing scale designed for industrial and inventory applications. Below are its main technical specifications. Accutech Counting Scale UCA-C-003 specification. So, ang model niya guys ay UCA-C-003. Ang maximum capacity niya ay 3 kilograms to 3,000 grams. Variability niya or deviation 0.1 grams. Counting resolution up to 1 to 30,000. Weighing pan size 285 by 240 mm stainless steel pan. Display large LCD with backlight. Power supply rechargeable battery or easy adapter. Battery life up to 16 hours or more operation. Functions: parts counting, weighing, check weighing. Zero function, removes container weight. Design: rugged industrial design with overload protection. Leveling: adjustable feet or leveling stands. Key features: number 1, high precision counting for small parts such as screws, bolts, and electronic components. Number 2, backlit LCD display for clear reading in low light. Number 3, high-low check, weighing to indicate if the weight or count is above or below a preset value. Number 4, rechargeable battery, allows portable use without constant power supply. Number 5, durable industrial construction for warehouse and production environments. Typical application. Number 1, hardware stores, counting screws, nuts, bolts. Number 2, electronics assembly, resistors or ICs. Number 3, warehouse inventory. Number 4, packaging and quality control. If you want, I can also show you the parts and buttons of the UCA-C-003 scale. Step-by-step procedure to count item using this scale. Useful for lab or training.
So, ayun lang guys. Ito po ang ating Accutech Counting Scale Model Accutech UCA-C-003. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel and TikTok accounts. Thank you!